like a crab that's molten from her shell. I crawl out uncomfortably, like a daughter who only wishes well. I've got your card in front of me. I'm the same girl, but I never fit back into my old skin. So we're back to the same old holiday.
Yes, this is the bag I'm about to show you. What's inside? Oh my god, there's so many things. Ta-da! Let's make this lower. I have been using this bag for like 2 weeks. First of all, I don't really carry the same things every day because it depending on my schedule, whether I'm going to the gym or I'm going to work. But yeah, I always shift my stuff in here. And sometimes I don't even use this bag. I'm using a different bag. So this bag is actually from a Malaysian brand called Anatomy. A3 rucksack bag, they call it. I got the black one. I'm liking this black one so far because it's easier to match. Let me go through a bit like what's the key feature of this bag is that it's not only just a bag with handle, it also has this sling strap that you can actually remove and change also if you want to. It's also adjustable. There's another key feature is that you could actually change this to a backpack, or if you don't like it, I could just remove this and then put it back inside, which I always use. I prefer using the strap as a sling bag. Hide them and it's gone. Yeah, it's gone. Other feature is that they have like this zipper here where I keep my car keys. Yeah, that's just me and my husband. And behind there's like Kim Hyung-ho. Yeah, this is my key card and my car key. And this is actually a scissors that I got from Japan. I think this is the brand, Hakoake. Yeah, I open parcel a lot. Yeah, every time I need to get my parcel from a different place, like I would be at that parcel room and straight away I will use this to open my parcel on the spot instead of like doing it back here. I always put this here so that it's more easier for me to go through my keys here. Oh, actually there's this pouch actually supposed to be hanging outside here, but I leave it inside. It comes with this very like this small keychain, but then I felt like it's quite fragile. When I were about to hang here, it's so, I don't know, yeah, it's very nice, it's very cute, just that it's very heavy and the whole thing is dangling down. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, I did not use it this way. Instead, I leave it in this very deep pocket. I also have this, ooh, there's another bag. Yeah, this is like a portable small bag from Mobile. Yeah, sometimes I do groceries, so I need an extra bag. So this is here. This is actually pretty big though, this pocket, that I could actually fit a traveler's notebook journal or maybe like a book. Even my bottle, yeah, I have a very big bottle that could actually fit in here if I want to put it in here. But I'm leaving here this way, and there's this thing where I could clip it to secure it. There's also another pocket here, and this is the brand like Anatomy. I do like the design here. This is not removable. I think the design is meant to be like that, but there's a clip here. It's totally removable, which is why I put this clip that I use a lot, like often. I'll just leave it here at the moment. My keychains, my charms, I always change them, like, so this is the current setup. There's a clip here, also another Muji pouch that I store all my essentials, like there's more keychains. Of course, yeah, more keychains. There's like Tiger Balm that I always need, lip balm, a sunscreen from Chucks, wet napkin, lip care stuff, rubber band, eye drops, Vaseline, and what else? So this pouch is actually from Muji, and I love is that they have this thing so that I can hang more stuff, of course. And then there's this where I keep my business card, a mirror, very cute mirror. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the essentials outside, like out here instead of inside. I mean, I don't want to store the important stuff outside. Like what if I drop them, right? Although it's secured with this, but I didn't want the important and expensive stuff. Or like, what if I drop them one day? I don't know. Like, what if it rains? Yeah, like all the water will actually go in. So at first, I was expecting like the inner inside is gonna be this color, but it's not. It's not. It would be nice if they do that. It's easier to see things. Even like this, if they use the inner as this color, that would be so great, right? Yeah, please do that, Anatomy. Please consider that. Yeah, inside it's all black. Okay, I'm gonna go through the charms later, okay? Yeah, what's in here? I currently have my headphone from Bowers and Wilkins. Yeah, this belongs to my husband actually, and he's not using it, so I'm using it. Film camera, a film toy camera from Lomography, the La Sardina edition, which I need to finish the film soon. There's like more pockets in here. I think there's one pocket that could actually fit a very big water bottle, which I tried, but there's one time I did not secure the bottle cap tight and the water spilled, and I have my laptop in here and my leather journal is also in here. Thankfully, I realized that pretty quickly. If not, everything will be just soaked wet in here, because this thing, I think it's like waterproof or water sealable, because the water that's spilled in, there's water inside. Like, I'm literally like carrying water inside in this bag. And yeah, thankfully I realized that pretty quickly, because I have my hard disk inside, my laptop, and my journal, leather journal. What else I want to say? Yes, this leather journal. Yes, the traveler's notebook. There's like 2-3 pockets. 2 pockets. 2 big ones. Also, there's this laptop sleeve at the back with this very soft filmy pad, and I do like this design though. Like, this is very nice. This is nicely made, guys. Yeah, it's very nice. I wish I have sticker. Yeah, custom stationeries, and yeah, this is a very, very nice design. And then my TN small wallet, which I also have a video about it. Oh, there, I have a Tamagotchi. There. Is he happy? Yeah, I have all dogs and bears. Yeah, my Tamagotchi paradise, yes. At first I was thinking like whether I want to hang it here, but I felt like, nah, I don't want to like lose it or anything happen, you know. I'm a very clumsy person. You see the water that I spill, I would knock things, my bag would just knock everywhere. Even like laptop, you could actually fit a laptop, but I felt like this bag is like, it's better to not put too heavy load stuff. Yeah, because my laptop that one, that's my laptop there, the yellow one. It's pretty big. It's like 15 inch or 13 inch. I don't remember. But I felt like even when I put it here, it's quite heavy. Yeah, I can put it in here, but then try not to put too much things, because it was just, I don't know, I felt like it's too heavy. So I'd rather hold them, like carry my laptop on my hand, and then this will be my stuff on my back, and use it as a sling bag instead of backpack. Yeah, I don't really put a lot of stuff, because I felt like, yeah, as I just said, I don't want too much heavy load stuff in this bag. I also like the design where you could just, I think this is the reason why it's called a rucksack. Okay, let's go through the charm that I am using. Yeah, the design they made is nice, that they have this extra ring, D-ring. Yes, it's a D-ring hook, but it's very heavy. Look at it. I try not to carry like big, heavy charms, because it would just be dangling. Like, see, I think the D-ring itself is quite heavy already. I do like there's an extra D-ring here so that I could hang all my cute stuff. This is the Kodak camera that I have, and this is some random string that I got from Shopee. And this is, I got this from Japan when I was traveling, and I removed the, it was actually a long ball thingy. I don't know what is it called, but it was like dangling and all that, so I changed to this ring and put it in here. I have also added this, which I just mentioned. This is the clip from Panko. I put it here because it's more easier for me to remove, and then because I always use this, and this would be perfect for me to just clip them on the spot. Yeah, you see that? You know what I mean now? Yeah. No, hopefully I won't lose this. I love this color. I have so many colors. I have a lot. I plan to get all of the colors. I wish Panko actually make like smaller keychain for this. Maybe they will make in the future. I think they will make it like a smaller edition. That would be so cute. So I leave it here. This is actually like, there's a hole. It is literally like it's connected to this. So I've seen people like putting like pen. Let me show you. Yeah, I think they did this. Let's see. Yeah, I can actually do this. Previously, I did hang my keychains, my keychain, my charm here, but then it was just dangling. I don't know how to say, which is why I have switched to here, hanging extra keychains. And this is from Morning Face Studio. Do not disturb before coffee. Yes, stay away. This one also I got from Shopee. Yeah. I wanted to hang like Hirono, all that, but then they're too big. Yeah, so I didn't want to hang too many stuff. But yeah, that's all. Let's put back the stuff in here. This, my toy, my camera. This one. And then I could actually, this is good. This is very thoughtful to have this. Yeah. Ta-da! I love this. That's all for today. I hope you like this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.